Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the npm error code ELOCKVERIFY in Node.js on Windows 11. First, close your code editor and any running terminals. Then open the folder of your project. Inside the project folder, find the folder called node_modules. Right-click on it and delete it. Next, find the file called package-lock.json. Right-click and delete this file as well. This will remove the broken lock data that is causing the error. Now open the folder again. Hold Shift and right-click inside the folder, then select Open in Terminal. When the terminal opens, type this command, npm install. Press Enter and wait. This will create a new node_modules folder and a fresh package-lock.json file. In most cases, this will fix the ELOCKVERIFY error. If the error still shows, clear the npm cache. In the same terminal, type npm cache clean force. Press Enter. After that, run npm install again and wait for it to finish. These quick steps should fix the error for most users. Thanks for watching.